Guys, you're welcome back to Preface Chemical. This is the channel for paint production and its application. Today we're about to produce a 20 liters emulsion paint in batch. We are producing 3 buckets of 20 liter in this paint rubber. The size of the drum we are using to produce this 20 liters emulsion is 80 liters, so we need about 60 liters of emulsion. So the formulation of the paint is already known to us, and we started by adding carbon in the water. After adding carbon in the water, the next is the application of titanium dioxide. We added titanium dioxide. As you can see on the screen, we are weighing the size of the titanium dioxide to be added because the titanium in the nylon is known, so we need a particular measurement in the formulation of this. This is why we are putting it on the scale to know the quantity we have empty in the batch production process. After putting the titanium dioxide, then you grind it for some minutes. In order to achieve a higher blend titanium dioxide, the next is to add your jelly pot to fasten the blending and the dissolving of the titanium dioxide in the paint water. This will allow the titanium dioxide to be dissolved fast and increase the spreading rate during the application process. So 20 liters in batch. So I want to produce 20 liters of emulsion white paint, 3 buckets of 20 liters emulsion in this batch production. I started by adding water to the container. After adding water, I added carbon. After adding carbon, the next chemical I added, after blending carbon in the water, the next chemical I added was titanium dioxide, which is the white pigment. After adding the white pigment, I added the next chemical to be added is Jeniper. The importance of adding Jeniper in the paint production is to increase the titanium dioxide is to increase the rate at which the titanium dioxide will be blend in the water. So I'm adding my Jeniper now. So that's my Jeniper added in the water. So I'll blend my titanium dioxide. So I'll be adding my calcium carbonate, which is the expander now. calcium carbonate I'll be adding in the water. The calcium carbonate I'll be adding already have the measurement on its own. Everybody knows that the weight of a calcium carbonate is 50 kg, so I know what would be to add acrylic in the water, in the paints. So I'll be adding my acrylic in the paint now.
So guys, we have been able to achieve the production process of producing white emulsion paint in batch of 3. The process started by addition of argon in the pure water. After adding of argon, the next next chemical added is titanium dioxide. After titanium dioxide, with a thorough blending, we added the calcium carbonate. After adding the calcium carbonate, we added the acrylic. The next chemical after acrylic is nitrosol and all other chemicals like the former buffer. These are all other chemicals added to the production process, and the preservatives, which are the chemicals that keeps paint longer in the bucket. But after production, we decided to test the opacity. What we mean by opacity of paint is the ability to cover black surface on one coat. You can see us testing the opacity on these black surfaces, and this will give you the quality of what you want, because this paint produced here cover the black surface on one coat, and it gives us a happy mode that when taken to site, it will cover a light base easy. So guys, thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Preface Chemical, and subscribe and click on the notification bell.